Hello, guys. Today's topic is dynamic programming. We will use knapsack problem again. So let's remind uh, the problem, knapsack problem. So there is a bag, there is a backpack. So which has capacity like you can as you can see from the image. So for example, there is a knapsack, there's a backpack, so there are some items. Our purpose, uh, put some items with the maximum profit. So we are accepting this is 0 1 knapsack problem. It's not fractional knapsack. So greedy algorithms makes the local or optimum choice at each step. It means it was it is just remind that grid algorithm was choosing always local optimum. Choosing local optimum, I mean, uh, sometimes it was reaching the global optimum, but sometimes it was failing. So there are some pros and cons if we compare greedy and dynamic programming, but we should learn what is dynamic programming first. So dynamic programming just is it is a technique for solving complex problem. I mean, uh, our uh, our method, the first method we have learned, it was divide and conquer. So second one was greedy. So third one is dynamic programming. So basically, dynamic programming breaking problems into simpler sub problems. So solving each sub problem, then storing the results. This is the critical. This is the critical thing for the dynamic programming. It is storing the results. So building up the final solution. I mean, uh, for the best solution for each sub problem, then it is giving the uh, it is giving the it is giving the uh, global 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 optimum for the last step. We will use knapsack problem again. So guys, let's go for our example. So I created an Excel table for just pause the video for not wasting time. So our problem 0 1 knapsack problem. It's not fractional. So there are four items. Our capacity of the backpack is 8. So weights and profits are like that. For first item, 2 kilograms, one profit, $1 profit, 3 kilograms. Second item, 3 kilograms with $2 a profit. Third item, 4 kilograms with $5 profit. So last item, 5 kilograms with $6 profit. So we are increasing the capacity one by one until 8 because we know our capacity is 0. So you should know that these all are 0. I mean, the first row is always 0. Just keep in mind, keep that in mind. So if we know first item, if we have just first item, if my capacity is 0, I cannot take inside. So if my capacity is 1, still I cannot get inside this item because this is 2 kilograms. So if I get this item, if my capacity is 2 kilograms, I can get this item. Then my profit is 1. So if my capacity is 3, still I can get one say first item, one. I only know first item, guys. That's why I just include the first one. So then I'm including the second item. So if I know my capacity is 0, I cannot get any of them. None of them. So if my capacity is 1, I cannot get I cannot take any of them. So if my capacity is 2, if my capacity is 2 kilograms, I can get this one and my profit will be 1. So if my capacity is 3, I can get first item and second item, but only one of them because my capacity is 3 and one of them is 2 kilograms, one of them is 2 kilograms, one of them is 3 kilograms. So I will go uh, I will go for comparing the profit. So the second item, the profit of second item is $2. That's why I'm getting the second item with $2 profit. So if my capacity is 4, still I cannot take first one because 3 plus 2 it's 5 kilograms. That's why I have to get only one of them. So still I'm keeping second item. If my capacity is 5, I can get both of them and my profit will be 3. 3 again, 3 again, 3 again. So with the third item, I know at the moment I know third item as well. So if my capacity is 0, I can get none of them. So if my capacity is 1, I can get none of them. If my capacity is 2, I have to take first item because this item's capacity is 2. Only this one is 2. Then my profit is 3. If my capacity is 3, I have to get second one because the I have to get one of them, and second one's profit is $2. So I'm getting second item again. So if my capacity is 4, I'm going to items, compare them to 3 and 4. I can get only one of them because my capacity is 4. So I will go with the third item. So my profit will be 5. Still, if my capacity is 5, I can get two of them together, first item and second item, but my profit will be 3. So I can get third one. I can get only third one. I'm comparing 1 plus 2 and only 3. Totally, first and second profit is 3, but only third one is 5. That's why I'm going with 5, and my profit is 3. So if my profit is 6, I can get third one and first item as well. So because 4 to 6, the profit is 6 also. This is not capacity, this is not the kilogram, this is profit. This is the $6, this is the profit. So if my capacity is 7, I can get third item with the first item, but my profit will be 6. I can also get third item and second item, my profit will be 7. So I'm choosing this one. So again, my capacity is, if my capacity is 8, I'm going with second and third item, and my profit will be 7 again. So if I know that if my capacity is 0, this one is 0. So if my capacity is 1, I cannot get any of them. If my capacity is 2, I have to get the first item. If my capacity is 3, I know that I can go with second item because the profit is 2. No, not this one. Not this one, sorry. 2. So if my capacity is 4, I can get only one of them, and the third one has the highest. Okay, third one has the highest profit. So if my capacity is 5, still I can get first and second item together, but profit will be 3. I only get third item with the $5 profit. So if my capacity is 6, I can get third one, I can get third one, and first one. My profit will be 6. My profit will be 6. So guys, I can also, if my capacity is 5, I can get only fourth item, but still profit will be 6. So if uh, that's why this is not 5. By the way, this is not 5. The profit, look at that. If my capacity is 5, and I can get third item, now at the moment I know also fourth item, and fourth item is 5 kilograms. It's 6 profit. That's why it is 6. So if my capacity is 6, I can get only this item or this first and third item again, first and third item together, but still profit will be 6. So if my capacity is 7, I can get second and third item, and profit will be 7, or first and fourth, I mean last item, still profit will be